Hello, guys. This is Dr. Palaniappan Manikam. I got my vaccine 2 weeks ago. If you think that the sound quality of this video is much better than the previous one, this vaccine has made me more technical. Let's see what else it did to me. So 2 weeks ago when I got the vaccination, I told my friend that I'm going to go live showing people how I got my vaccination to promote awareness. My friend was like, the most important question is not whether you go live, whether you will be alive. So it has been 2 weeks. I feel great. I can still see, I can still breathe, I can still talk. My heart is beating. I've not turned into a zombie. My face is brighter, maybe because of the lights. The main problem that I had was when I got the shot on my right arm, I had some muscle pain, which lasted for like 6 to 12 hours. I didn't even have to take any medications. It went away on its own. I can still lift my arm and everything, but I could still feel that there was some kind of discomfort, which was widely reported in the studies as well. Up to like 15% of patients can still get it. It usually doesn't last more than 6 to 12 hours, and usually you don't have to take any medications. லைட்டாக எறும்பு கடிச்ச மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு யானை மிதிச்ச மாதிரி இல்லாத வரைக்கும் சரி. So one small tip that I can give you is when it is time for your vaccination, make sure that you get the vaccination in your non-dominant arm, which means that if you're a right-handed person, make sure that you get on the left hand. If you're a left-handed person, get it on the right hand, so that in case if it was like some kind of discomfort to you, so you can still do your regular work. So when they gave me an option which arm you want, I said just give the vaccine and you choose whichever arm you want. As I said before, I was so excited. I've never been excited like this even before my marriage. Since I'm right-handed, I'm going to get my second shot on my left arm. So besides the mild muscle pain, I didn't have any other symptoms at all. No fever, no body pain, no weakness. More importantly, I didn't get COVID-19. So even if you had like fever, fatigue or something, it usually lasts for 12 to 24 hours. I actually wish I had some kind of symptoms, because if that have happened, I would have known that the vaccine is actually working. I just had some mild headache, but that is because I was dealing with all these anti-vaxxers and all the myths surrounding the COVID-19 vaccine. So you must have seen reports of people getting allergic reactions after getting the shot. Again, all these reactions were very mild, maximum to moderate, nothing life-threatening, nothing alarming. And as we said before, if you have any life-threatening side effect of allergic reaction in the past, like difficulty in breathing to a point that you need to give an epinephrine injection to yourself, only in that scenario you need to be a little bit more careful. If not, there is no contraindication for this vaccine at all, even if you have allergy issues, if it is mild to moderate. So one of my colleague was complaining of palpitation, chest pain, shortness of breath in the vaccination center. I went up to him and I told him that, dude, we have not given you the vaccine yet. So one of my friend called me, hey Dr. Pal, I heard that COVID-19 vaccine causes infertility. I was like, first of all, there is no association. Second of all, you have 6 kids already. Even in the worst case scenario, if it causes infertility, it is not a side effect for you, it might be actually the main effect. So all these rumors are causing unnecessary fear among the community. Other big rumor is that COVID vaccine causes COVID-19. If we don't get the vaccine, we'll get COVID-20, COVID-21, COVID-22, we will never come out of this. So there have been some problems with distribution. It is a Herculean task to distribute vaccines throughout the country, but there is not enough funding for these departments, so there might be some delay more than what we thought before. So hang in there. I'll keep you posted if there are any updates. We have so many issues with just 350 million people here in this country, but there are 1 billion people in India. And they are not worried about it at all, because we have done this multiple times in the past of mass vaccination. இந்தியாவில் இருக்கிறவங்க கேட்குறாங்க என்னப்பா சத்தம் இங்கே சும்மா பேசிக்கிட்டு இருந்தேங்க. So I'm getting my second dose next week, and 1 week after my second dose, I'll be 95% immune to COVID-19. One thing I'm going to ask the hospital people to change is the sign in the vaccination center which says, live as if today is your last day. Alright guys, please spread the awareness of this vaccination so that by the time the vaccine is rolled out to the general public, they'll be reassured, so that everybody gets vaccinated so we can come out of this pandemic as soon as possible. I will see you in the next video.